Okay, so we're going to react some different ions together, and if a reaction occurs, we're going to look for one of the four indicators that we learned about earlier in the year. If you remember, the four indicators are color change, gas production, formation of a precipitate, and an energy change. And so the one we're looking for here is a precipitate, which is an insoluble solid. So if the two ions react, then we'll see some chunky, kind of gross looking cool stuff, and then we'll know that reaction occurred. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's start here, I guess. Oops. So this is the silver ion, and that's the one that stains your hand. And then this is the cobalt +2 ion. Remember, when you're naming and writing formulas, you always write the positive ion first, and then the negative anion second. And this is iron. And the last one is the copper +2 ion. And these are all what we call aqueous solutions, which means that the ionic compound has broken apart into ions in water. All right, so now we're gonna add the anions. So I got chlorine, I'm gonna go down here, and we're gonna look for a reaction. And sometimes we pull it off here, if I can do it without making a mess, you can see a little bit better. You can definitely see that top one reacted. All right. And what happened here? I'm not gonna move it again to the end. All right, so next is a sulfide ion, which would be sulfur. In an ion form, we call it sulfide. And the next one is the carbonate. And then hydroxide. And I'm pretty sure this one got messed up, so I'm gonna redo this one, because it should have been purple. When I moved it, looks like the thing moved. And you can see that one had a precipitate too.